Everyone knows how to do a plank, but have you noticed the little details? First, hip position. Don't drop your hips too low or lift them too high. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Second, neck position. Don't look up or drop your head. Keep your neck neutral and gaze down at the mat. Third, arm placement. Elbows should be directly under your shoulders. This prevents shoulder strain. Okay, Mearson, you are doing a perfect plank now.